Alright, so it's Memorial Day 2024. You can read this sign here where I'm at, the Ingle Mill Road Covered Bridge, and you can read its history right there. Here's the bridge, obviously replaced it. You see the creek down there. This is it now. So here you can see what it used to look like, and now with the red. And here, pause all this and read this, okay? All right, now here, you see they got this so you don't drive on it, of course. And here, I'm gonna walk you through it. But what I'm gonna be doing, I'm taking a tour of a number of bridges, I think 5 or 6. It's in Greene County, Ohio. And I'm gonna try to fly all these as well as make ground videos, so I'll try to mix them together. Here, I'll just show you the roof up there. And so we're almost through the end of it, and it's just high grass and weeds down here. The birds have been in here doing, you know, some things. So, but you can see there's some tracks down here too. So here, we'll just walk down through here. I'll turn around. There, we're looking through the bridge, and it says it right up there. Ingle Mill Covered Bridge, built in 1877 but restored in 2014. So there you go. Pretty neat little place, huh? Alright, so the next thing you should see is hopefully a little bit of aerial video of this. Alright, I'll zoom in on this sign for you. Make sure you can get up and see it. It's kind of dark through here. But this is the Ballard Road Covered Bridge. It is drivable because they have redone this. So hopefully you paused that and read that. And here, see that you can pause this stuff and read this. And you can see the pictures of it right here that they got on here. This is the bridge here. Yeah, and you can drive this, and we did 11-4. The car's on the other side, and somebody else came right through with me. You see right there it says weight limit 5 tons. And up there at the top, I'll try to zoom in on that for you. Up here, that sign says Charles F. Dean Ballard Road Covered Bridge, built 1883, restored 2016. So it'll take up to 5 tons. You can drive right across it. And we did, and like I said, that other car there came right behind us, and that right there is private property. That's the road that we came down on to get here. So, pretty cool bridge. I'll be flying it. Stay tuned for that video. Alright, this one's the Charlton Mill. Up at the top up there it says Robert N. Geyer, Charlton Mill Covered Bridge, built in 2013. So this one is not an old one. It's drivable, so just like the other one, we drove it. But here, this actually is asphalt. Should be able to see that. It looks fairly light, even though, trust me, to the eyes, it's really dark. Here's what it looks like on the side. Up at the top. See the way it's made. I can hear a car. Truck, actually. And we are just about through the bridge. Pretty weedy over there. There's a road we came up on. There's a little country road. Let me turn around for you. And there it is from this side. Pretty neat, huh? I like it. That's for sure. I definitely like it. Alright, read that. And just pause that. You go down there, show the pictures of it there. There it is, newer. And we got this sign here. You can pause that, read that. This thing's 95 feet. Up there's a sign up top of it. That's one of them women that's been following me is walking through there. Just a silhouette. But up there says Stevenson Road Covered Bridge, built 1877, restored in 2015. But you can see this is clearly a non-driving bridge. Let's see what the sides of it here are made like. And this is back to the wooden boards. And on this side you can see it's made this X pattern. And up there is the ceiling, the roof. And there's the end of it. I'm sure the road used to go up there and meet with the road that's already there. And here it is from the other side. How's that? Now this one should be able to fly. I guess I should tell you that I did not get to fly the last bridge. I could not get any satellites. There was trees everywhere and I got 0 satellites. So that was a problem with that. Alright, this is the Richard P. Eastman Hyde Road Covered Bridge. 2014 is what the sign says up there. And then up there, you see that weather vane they got up there? Here, let me do this. Alright, hopefully I got that in a good timing. Now, look at all these windows down through here on the sides. How nice is that? It's been a very active bridge. There's been several cars, including us, gone over this thing. Look at these gigantic corbels on this. Here's the inside of it. I got a mirror here so you can see in it. Down there's a road. Here's the sides on this side. See all these windows. Pretty cool. See the ceiling up here, the roof. There's the outside. Here's the left side I'm walking on. You cannot park on this side of the bridge anywhere. So, get here, turn around, show you. Right there it is. Oh, there's a. Hey, how you doing?
Hi. Good.
Just noticed there's a stair. Okay. Is that like a walking track or something? Do you know?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
It goes forever.
Forever.
Like 23 miles.
Hey, see that? And look at this from the side of the bridge. How cool is that?